Guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you guys. I hope you guys are having some amazing holidays. Today we have an amazing and a great video for you guys. We are finally going to be introducing our one-of-one custom carbon fiber body kit for the S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alright, so as you guys know, we've shown some pictures in a previous video when we did the build introduction on the S80 V8. This body kit is custom made in Lithuania. It is the first body kit of its kind from what we've seen anywhere on the internet that will be made fully out of carbon fiber. Right now the body kit is made out of fiberglass and we will completely customize that and make it carbon fiber ourselves. There will be a video in the near future that we will show you guys how we're doing it and the final result and everything. Today we're going to test fit it and we're going to show you guys what the final result looks like before we actually modify it and make it all of carbon fiber. This is going to be absolutely amazing, guys, because there is no pictures whatsoever on the internet of such a body kit made out of carbon fiber installed on an S80 V8. The only other body kit that is like that was the actual company in Lithuania that makes this body kit that installed it, but it was on a 3.2 liter, so the regular inline 6 that Volvo makes and not the beautiful V8. So you guys have to be super hyped for this as much as we are, guys, because this build, we can promise it to you guys, will be absolutely amazing. It will be a one-of-one, the only one of its kind as of what we know from right now. All right, guys, enough of me talking. I'm gonna go and tape on the body kit with some painter's tape just so that it holds on to the body of the car. There's some snow, as you guys can see in the back here in Boisbriand, Quebec, Canada. So I'll try to stick it as good as possible so it doesn't fall off. It is a 4-piece body kit, so there's a 3-piece custom lip in the front and there's also the spoiler in the rear that is pretty aggressive. We opted to not go for the side skirts because the car was going to be way too low with the lowering springs and everything. It was going to rub on the floor every day and that's not really what you want in a daily driver. All right, guys, so the body kit is taped onto the car. I have my girlfriend here helping me out just to hold down the body kit, guys, because the third piece, so the centerpiece of the lip is kind of weird to tape on. I would have to tape it from the back and there's snow everywhere on the floor, so I'm not gonna get on doing that. So let's get to showing you guys the B-rolls of the body kit. It is absolutely insane, guys, super aggressive. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final result once it's fully done out of carbon fiber. Enjoy. Alright, guys, so this is the final look of the body kit for the S80 V8. Hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know, guys. Let us know actually down in the comments below what you guys think of the S80 V8 build so far. We are super happy with what we've done to now, and with the wheels, the body kit, the wrap and everything. We might do a little tune in it in the future as well. Sorry guys, I just had to wipe some snow off the camera. It's pretty snowy here in Boisbriand, Quebec, Canada, like I said. Merry Christmas to you guys. Hopefully you guys like the exhaust as well. It's pretty dope, guys. We've been super blessed and super happy with the build so far. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed, guys. We are super excited for the future video coming. Sorry, by the way, we have posted a lot of S80 V8 contents in the last few videos. We know we are working on the V70R and working on the XC70. Now that the Christmas season is upon us, we will have some time off from work and school for Mech that you guys haven't seen in a very long time, guys. Mech will be making a comeback. Mech is a super busy student, guys, so So, you know, don't be mad at him if he's not too much on the channel recently. He will be coming back, guys, I promise. And you guys will see him in a solo video very, very soon, where he will be explaining his V70R build and showing you guys the very first modifications that he will be doing to it as of this winter season. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See you, boys.